hopefully you get to see. It is, what time is it, 4:50?
4, yeah, almost,
give or take.
4:48. That's
And
due north.
it's been drizzly all day. It's finally clearing, and you can see, hopefully you can see how the clouds are lifting. It's pretty interesting. It's pretty cool. Huh, there you go. So we just got out of off the trail, and we're going into a town that is called Hot Springs. So we're walking in because the trail goes directly through the town. We're just trying to figure out where what is. That's the Hostel Laughing Heart Lodge. This is where we're supposed to be. There we go.
Like, that's the best way to be. No, that's the best way to do business.
Oh,
like, yeah,
look at that puppy.
Location.
So, I guess that was not the hostel. That was the hostel, not the lodge. And people can pay money to set up the tent. Or, I think you can get it a cabin, bunk rooms. And we are going up to the lodge. So we're here actually a day early, so we have a reservation already for tomorrow. And we're praying that they have an opening today, or we might be pinching tent right over there. We'll see. But this is where we're going. And if we don't get to stay here tonight, we will be staying here tomorrow. Alrighty. Bye. We're on another hilltop. Well, we're in the shadows, but the sun's shining over there. Anyhow, it's really hard for you to see the mountains, but better in a video than a picture. Just want to show you how some of the woods are just so different. They're so pretty. So green. I guess these are just, every time you get around pine trees, it gets this real plush green and not many other trees growing. It's interesting. there you have it. We're walking into this like canyon. We're going up to Laurel something Falls. And it's in this massive canyon. Crazy. It's beautiful. And we're going to end up at the falls where this water is going to. Tim is walking down to get us some water.
I'm gonna slide by.
Yep.
And I'm gonna come by close.
That's fine. You're good. Alright, so Tim is going to get us some water. He's a brave soul. That's where he's getting it from. Ha ha. Whew. And here we are at the fall. It's gorgeous. Oops. Man. It was a long haul to get here. Let me see if I can show you. See how far down he is? It was like twice that. It's horrible. But I did it. Okay, so we just walked down from out of the woods on the trail into, what's this place called?
Damascus.
Damascus,
Virginia.
Virginia. So we are down 3 states and we're going into Damascus. It's really early. They didn't have any openings last night, so we only stayed like 2 miles off, out of town that is. So now we're going to hike into the actual town, but it is so pretty. That was the first thing we saw, is the log cabin. It's beautiful. And this house is beautiful. I'm sorry, I'm doing it again. I'm moving like really fast. So, I'll talk to you later.
It's a pretty little house right here.
Bye.
Very...
Wow, so the Appalachian Trail goes straight through the town. And it looks like there's a shelter right over there. Can't see it. There it is. Oh, car coming. So we're gonna follow the trail. Oh, it's so pretty here. Oh, they've got some kind of memorial over there.
That's the library.
Look at the memorial.
Oh, yes, there is one. One represents each branch of the service to the local people who serve. I read that.
Wow, I hope you heard that.
It's a memorial from the city to local residents who serve in the armed forces. It forms a star with a flag for each branch of the service, including the Coast Guard.
Awesome. It's a nice little town.
Now they have one for the Space Force. Currently has 100 veterans.
There's the markings. And we're gonna go to the right since
No camping.
that's funny, they've got a shelter and it says no camping. Oh, hold on, I'm shaking. Look at that, it says no camping. I don't know if you can see that. That's hilarious. Anywho, so we're gonna keep walking and try to find the place that we are.
Dancing Bear Inn.
Yep, Dancing Bear Inn. We're in Sisters Bear's room. Outside in the backyard of the place that we're staying in Damascus. They're so cute.